हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल एंड MBA A to Z में आपको स्वागत है। सो आई एम टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द IIM Shillong's PI question. Basically, whatever they are asking in the PI, is because there is a majestic situation and there is a magic after AWT or what. Okay, some of the IIM are doing GD and some of the IIM doing AWT or what. So this is not the elimination round, but PI is the elimination round and directly you will not get admission offer from the IIMs. Okay, so the most important round is that PI. So there's some sort of question I will discuss and definitely you will get this type of question they will ask in the IIM interview. Okay, so please go through my channel and जो अभी भी सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया उसको सब्सक्राइब कर दो भाई। और क्या है ना जी, इसको थोड़ा जाके बॉयज़ एंड गर्ल्स थोड़ा सा चेक करो, आपका जो आंसर है आप बढ़िया से जानते हैं, लेकिन मैं जो क्वेश्चन जो है मैं बता दूंगा आपको, ठीक है ना। सो दिस इज द थिंग एंड आई हैव डिस्कस सो मेनी IIM's PI questions and definitely you will get during your interview that when they will ask this type of question like that. Okay, so first of all, when you will enter the room, one of the senior member will tell that introduce yourself. Okay, please give the brief introduce yourself about the in 2 3 lines. They don't want you must go for a 5 to 6 or 10 line, as because that there is nothing is required for the interview, as because when you are going to tell this type of thing they will tell okay, it's okay, and why not you are specializing something like that, and you don't have any MTech, why not you did any master's degree, or you or have you attempt in gate examination, as because however you are from a CAT qualified, because as when you are getting a call from IIM Shillong you have already a good percentile, so then you will get a call from IIM Shillong, but at least 96 to 98 percentile is required for IIM Shillong call. So anyway, but they will ask some sort of question, as because you have to have prepare about that, because when you are going to give this type of answer, please be quiet, please be polite, and please don't go for the rude situation. Okay, so don't go rude, so that you will automatically will not get the job offer. Okay, so this is the thing, and the most important criteria of your subject is that your academic qualification and job experience. They may ask in this way that please introduce yourself without your academic qualification and job experience. But when this type of question will ask, then so you specifically will give the answer in this way, so that they will satisfy to the answer. And once you will give them bluff or they will not satisfy to your answer, a totally blank answer you will get and they will give you big zero. Okay, so you will not get any marks from that question. Okay, so first question is that, so if you will not get any marks from the first question, and totally you will be bogged down in the interview. Okay, so then they will ask some sort of question, because IIM Shillong is such an IIM, they will ask each and every question from your previous attempts, as because they will ask some sort of question from they want to know the what are the previous history of your academic qualifications, academic records, or job experience. Okay, so this is the thing, and wherever you did any undergraduate project work, or what are the industrial specialization or industrial work you did during your undergraduate studied, as because if you are a freshers, what are the things are to be understand, and what are the things you did during your undergraduate studies. So they will ask as simple as that, but give the specific answer and give more the most important criteria things, so that they will be happy about that. Okay, so this is the thing, and they will ask some sort of question in class 10 and 12 subject like that. If you are a commerce graduate, they will definitely ask the simple questions, and that if you are an arts graduate, they will ask some sort of question from your essay story and etc, whatever you have a subject in your undergraduate in your class 10 and 12 studies. So anyway, they can ask direct question from your direct wherever you are staying, that historical and geographical questions also, and they will ask how to manage this type of situation in the future. Okay, so this is the thing, this is the management IQ test basically. And then they will go for the undergraduate specialization. If you have engineering background, they will ask a innumerable questions, as because they want to eliminate the engineering student, as because if you are a GEM, I mean general engineer male, then definitely you will not get a chance in IIM Shillong, as because they want to always eliminate you, is because they don't want that engineer, because a few percentage of engineers they are uh, giving admission offers to the GEM. Okay, so this is the thing. So under my specialization, if you are a mechanical or production engineer, they will ask what is productivity, and simply you will get the answer that output by input of any of the parameter. But anyway, but that is not the output by input, that is the efficiency, and of the efficiency definition of the efficiency is in such a way. So productivity definition is, there is a two to three type of things are there, two types of really most important, that is labor productivity and the capital productivity, and you must go through that in detail, okay, so that they will satisfy the answer. Okay, so this is the thing, and your answer should be very brief and don't be rude. I always telling you, and be quiet and be polite. Okay, and if you are an electrical engineer, they can ask direct what is synchronous motor, what is DC motor, what is armature, and what are the switches, and what are the shunt, what is required, and what is required or not. And the most important thing is that when you are a mechanical engineer, an electrical engineer, and then electronics engineer, they will ask some sort of brief question, what is Zener breakdown, what is avalanche breakdown, this in this way. And if you are in computer science engineer, they will ask that what is call by value, what is array, or the same thing they are asking from the basic things like whatever you have read in your first year or second year computer science classes, as because then when you are following that Balaguru Swami and Kanitkar book, whatever they wrote, they can ask. And as simple as that, they can ask the simple drawing question from your engineering drawing if you are an engineer. Okay, so in case of mechanical, say in case of metallurgy, mining and chemical and metal and ceramic engineering, they can ask, and civil engineering also, they can ask any question regarding your subject, as because they are the expert. You don't know that what will be asked, as because you have to read everything about that. So this is the thing. And under specialization, if arts and commerce, they will not get this type of tough question, but definitely they will ask some sort of question, and you must be aware about that. And one thing you will always remember, that if you don't know the answer, please directly tell them that sir, I don't know. Otherwise it will create a tremendous effect on your admission offer, as because when you are going to manage, they also know that he or she is managing something, but you don't know that he knows everything. Okay, then they will ask that what is your area of interest, what will be your area of interest, that may be financial management, that may be business economics, that may be business analytics, that may be HR, that may be operations management, and that may be marketing management. Okay, when you are give the answer this type of question, you must aware about that subject, and please told them please tell them that this is my specialization, then I have also some sort of knowledge regarding this. And if they will ask some sort of question, and if you don't give the answer, then that will totally be a back down situation again, when you will be not able to do the, not able to create something in this area. Okay, so they will totally tell that you don't have any concept, but you are telling that you are going to be an expert in this area. So this is the desired industry, and what is your desired industry, and what is the desired company. They will ask, that is basically is your literature survey, and how much you know about the IIM Shillong, because everything is available in the internet. You must go through the internet first, and what are the summer internship companies are available, and what are the company are going for the campus interview, they are also there. Okay, so this is the thing, and you must aware about that, and you must know about first. Okay, so then they may ask or may not ask a brief extempore, as because they IIM Shillong generally don't ask any extempore, but however they can go through that. If they will ask this type of extempore, two to three lines, you can give the 2 to 3 or 4 lines, you give the extempore. For the same, you have to have a high English capacity or in high English language spoken English courses, so that you will definitely be comfort about that. Okay, so then they will give a one case study, and they will go for the management solution. I mean that this is a decision making process, so you have to be they want to test your IQ, that what will do if the situation will arrive in such a way, what will do if the situation is not arrived in such a, and what are the things are to be done when the some sort of employee will tell something, or some sort of your boss will tell something. So what should be done when, if you have a family pressure. So in this way they will ask some sort of question. This is the one of the most important question, and they may ask from the general knowledge and the recent trend of the general knowledges. So this is the question should be arrived from your criteriable things, that general knowledge question also they can ask. Okay, the recent trend, basically the recent trend they will ask, and then they will go for the summer internship relative question. That's because when you did your graduation, and you have some sort of training or some sort of report regarding that, and you have to prepare about that, otherwise you will be totally in failed in that things. As because when you are going to ask and going to give this type of question, you must aware about that, because you know that whatever you did your summer internship, and nobody knows what you did, as because I also don't know what you did. Okay, so this is that report should be read properly. Okay, otherwise there will be if you give some sort of bluffing answer, they will totally catch you and they will ask some sort of question, and definitely you will not give the answer, not able to give the answer, and they will tell, okay, this is not for you. Okay, so this is the thing. And from your experience, if you have a work ex, they will tell that what are the key achievements and what they are and why they are the great achievement about you according to you. But still one thing you always remember, that what I am telling you, that when you are telling this type of question, that 2 to 3 points you will give, and why this is great you also tell. Okay, so then anybody can ask that why MBA. So why MBA means that is your dream. You will always tell that is your dream. Don't go for the pay packages or something like that. Okay, so that they will laugh at you, and they can give that senior most interviewer, he can tell, he or she can tell that, okay, mister, you can go. Okay, so this is the thing. So then they will ask that please share the most challenging situation in difficult the most challenging in the difficult situation, and what did you learn from the situation. So this is the most important question. Generally they are asking, if you have an 1 year or 2 year work ex, that what you learn from your experience. Okay, and what are the difficult situations have you ever been had, or how the difficult situation could have been avoided, and what is your management solution. So this is the most important question they will generally ask, and I will give you some sort of clue. Please look in my videos, and so that you will understand everything. Okay, so please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Always subscribe, and if you don't have any subscription, and please subscribe to my channel, so that you will definitely understand everything in the future also. And they can ask that please share one mistake from your work ex. What are the mistakes you did during your work ex, and which really troubled you, and have you ever been received any letter from your boss, or did you learn from the mistake, and what did you learn from the mistake. So this is the one of the good question they will ask, and they want to test your IQ, that because how many times or how many times you did some sort of mistake, or how much time you will give the answer. Okay, and this is the most important criteria, that they want to know your confidence. Okay, so basically the things that they want to check your confidence, as because you have an already work ex, and you will definitely get a offer of more than the packages whatever the freshers will get after the 2 year of MBA. Okay, so this is the thing, and you must aware about that. And I have told I will tell some sort of things in future also, and I have told so many things regarding that. So you must go through that, and I think you will definitely be sure. I'm sure that you will get this type of question, and be honor and be honest with you, and be polite and be quiet. Okay, and definitely you will be succeeded in your examination. Hope for the best, and please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, so that you will get some sort of information regarding this. And don't forget to press the bell icon, so that you will automatically get the questions and the answer of the PI also. Thank you, best of luck. Please subscribe to my channel.